Sorry about that. This is the second half of the same paper, 2011's actual assessment. This is the real context questions. Part B. Blake receives a copy of his bank statement and finds out that he is overdrawn. He has a negative balance in his account. He starts a saving plan. The graph below shows the amount of money Blake hopes to have in his bank account. If, I'm not sure, dollars, if he follows his savings account for N weeks. Wow, they let that get through, that's poor. Rightio, so here he is. He's in negative, and that's today. And look, he's planning for 5, 10 weeks out into the future, maybe out to 20 weeks. How much, so how many dollars, does Blake plan to bank each week? So his bank account is going up, 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 up. So each week it's going up. Well, in 5 weeks, he's going to be out of his overdraft. He's paid $200 off. So each week, that is $40. That's our answer for that one. Give the equation for the graph of Blake's savings plan in terms of dollars, the amount of Blake's account, and the N number of weeks after the start of his savings plan. So we've got Y equals MX plus C. Now, here's our graph. It's a straight line graph. The y-intercept is the easiest thing to see. It's down at minus 200. Y equals, now the slope is what we've just found, 40x. Now, that would be a good achieve level answer, but I can make that slightly better by saying savings, see that's my Y value, equals 40 times N for the number of weeks, take away 200. Next question. Blake's grandmother thinks he should be saving more. So she reckons better than $40 a week. At the end of 4 weeks, she tells him that if the amount in his bank account at the end of 9 weeks is $300, she will give him $50. He increases the fixed amount he saves each week from the end of the 4th week. He reaches his grandmother's target of $300 in his account, and he banks $50 from his grandmother. He continues to save at the increased rate, banking $50 from his grandmother. Describe how the graph changes from week 4 onwards. Okay, so I'm going to use a different colour here for this. Week 4, here he is here. Looks like he's at minus $40. And she tells him that if he can get his bank account to $300 by week 9, so here's week 9, so $300 is up here. That's where she wants him to get to. If he gets there, she's going to give him $50, but we'll deal with that soon. So here we go, we've got this new increased slope to go up here. Then she's going to give him $50, which is going to take him to $350. And then he's going to carry on saving at the same rate, so at the same steepness here. So what we've got, we need to describe this. Rightio, so the first thing is, at week 4, the slope, the gradient increases. The new slope, which is that sort of dotted line like that, has a rise over the run. Now I can see it's gone up from $40 to $300, minus $40 to $350. So it's gone up $390. And he's done that in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks and 5 weeks. So that's my new slope there. Then we can say at week 9 the savings jumps. So it's jumping straight up here, it's jumping vertically. $50. Now, a mathematical way of describing that is that the line has translated up $50. So that's the sort of kink in the graph. Then I would say from week 9 the slope continues. Same. Now, describe how the graph changes from week 4 onwards. Our savings is going to go up. There's a vertical jump there. Hints, you can do this by giving equations for some parts of the graph. You may find it helpful to sketch the graph using the new grid on page 4. Right, how could I increase my grade? Just thinking about it. Maybe having a look and seeing whether I can spot a y-intercept. Not very easily to spot a y-intercept. So it's gone up that much. Nope, good enough answer.